Good morning, everyone. Ako po ay Sinoy Ditoyato from Bacolod City. Nandito ako ngayon na mag-testimony para doon sa aming na-experience dito sa Wealth Premier Platform under the company. And then first in the morning, I take this product. Today is August 24. Um, Now I feel when I wake up in the morning, I take 2 capsules for the products pre-BioCure. And then I feel my eyesight restored, and at the same time the itchy of my eyes is already now good condition. So I take also for the chai coffee. Chai coffee is very nice for the stomach, and also my acid is also gone. At the same time, my eyesight is good condition now. So thank you for this product. We use pre-BioCure, and also with this product of pre-BioCure in the chai coffee. So we thank you and hope everyone will be inspired for my testimony. Good morning.